These are Japanese croquettes, as they call it, korokke. Put 4 potatoes to boil. Peel them, slice them, mash them. Add shredded carrot, spring onions, mozzarella and cheddar cheese, unsalted butter. Mix it. Now add salt, black pepper, paprika, and mix again. It's time to make the shape. You can make them by hand or you can use piping bags like us. Refrigerate for 30 to 40 minutes. Cut into pieces, and for the coating, first roll it into flour. Then eggs. And finally in breadcrumbs. Heat up your oil on medium flame. Let them fry for 20 to 30 seconds since the filling is already cooked. Let them cool on cooling rack for 30 to 40 seconds. Your creamy and cheesy Japanese korokke are ready to serve. Serve them with tonkatsu sauce to get the authentic Japanese flavor. Enjoy.